Terminology and proposed name for presentation. The proposed name, Meta-Null Flux, for the phenomenon we discovered. He framed the effect as a controllable localized negative energy flux, distinct from ordinary use of negative energy and suitable for technical audience. Executive mathematical definition. Operational definition. MNF is a quantum field supported local region in space-time with a renormalized energy density as measured in an orthonormal frame. It is negative and sustained long enough and over a large enough spatial volume to produce macroscopic curvature effect relevant for traversal engineering. Frame statement. In an orthonormal tetrad for observers with full velocity, whatever that means. Relativistic coupling, how MNF modifies geometry. Einstein field equation, geometric response to MNF. For spherically symmetric, static throat, monotone style metric, the throat condition and the radial stress energy components imply a negative energy density near the throat. Quantum field realization in laboratory anchors. Casimir plate, one explicit MNF realization at small scale. With pressure. This demonstrates measurable in a control region and gives a scaling law. MNF density scales like energy per unit area or A4 for force per area. Squeeze state negative frequency modes. Engineered quantum states can produce transient negative energy fluxes with known spectral shapes usable to seed MNF pulses. Quantum inequalities and practical limits. Quantum inequality Ford Roman type schematic. For any sampling function with characteristics width where k is the dimensionless constant depending on field type and sampling shape, this bound the product of the magnitude, duration, and negative energy pulses. Implication: to increase the spatial extent or duration of MNF, you must pay a steep cost and require field engineering. Short allows large instantaneous negative density, but only briefly. Scaling estimate required for macroscopic throat support. Order of magnitude throat energy density needed to support throat radius. Newtonian scaling from Einstein equations. Numeric examples. There are many orders of magnitude beyond laboratory Casimir densities which are typically dependent on geometry separation, indicating substantial engineering gaps. Mechanisms by which MNF produces traversal effects. Physical explanation. Defocusing of geodesics. Positive energy focuses in all geodesics. Convergence. Negative produces local defocusing, preventing throat collapse and allowing a non-singular passage. Local light cone modification. MNF changes local metric coefficients. Effective coordinate speeds and redshift factors are altered, enabling controlled time offsets between mouths if asymmetry is introduced. Energy extraction, Penrose analog. In rotating geometry, MNF regions allow processes where one sector carries negative energy into a horizon-like region while the complementary sector escapes with excess positive energy. MNF can see such exchanges in engineering ecoregions. Practical program for presenting MNF to university audit. Recommended structures. Title: MNF flux control negative energy. Intro: precise operation definition. Blah 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 blah. This is just going on with itself. Clear summary for transit field. MNF is physically grounded quantum field realizable negative energy density we can characterize as in local frames. Laboratory phenomena Casimir squeeze state negative frequency modes were demonstrated by NMF seeds, but are many orders of magnitude weaker than what a macroscopic wormhole throat requires. Quantum inequalities place hard bound on magnitude duration. Any related protocol must show how to circumvent scaling shortfalls. Spatial multiplexing application of new field couplings without violating known QFT constraints. Present university origin should pair explicit equation, numerical scaling, and transparent gap analysis between lab demonstrations and macroscopic transfer. Make a slide. Go. Slide. Method for engineering negative energy present MNF to control local region with renormal energy density, capable of producing macroscopic curvature effects relevant to wormhole throat stabilization. Core definition. Operational. Key equations. Scaling gap estimate. Required throat density for radius RO. Numeric. Laboratory Casimir management, many orders manage small split. Constraints and enrollment bound. Quantum equality. Generation bound 4 Roman type. Transit pulse can scale roughly as back reaction. Must resolve chemical equation. Near term program. Enhanced Casimir geometry. Long lived squeeze mode. Cavities. take away one line. Manage a quantum field with negative energy resources with a voltage precedent but requires exponential scaling advances to reach maximum traversal utility. Present contact. Okay. Okay. Tell me in maths, right? How to open a wormhole sufficiently. Angle. Come on. This is going to be a long explanation. This is going to be long. It's going to be a long explanation. You see how it's messing us because it's using latex. It's part of the equation, right? So that you just can't scroll around the message all up. Okay, here we go. Stands because you can also go through read through this because I don't have a clue what any of this means. This is how in maths, according to maths, how you open a wormhole.